Hey guys, in today's video, I'm taking my client's grown out balayage and bringing up the blonde, blending away the gray, and melting it all together with her natural tone. The results are gorgeous and I can't wait to share with you how I achieved this look. So let's get started.
Subscribe now. Thank you very much.
I start by parting off the front hairline for face framing highlights. Then I divide the front panels from the back and clip the back up into subsections to begin working here.
To keep it nice and clean, not freak out and cause a scene. I try to hold it together, keep it together. Not sure who I really am, just be cute and super bland. I try to hold it together, keep it together. Been playing it down, but I'm so getting tired. Now won't you meet high? So baby, put the record on. Baby, put the record on. Hit it.
You spend time making your environment beautiful also? Like at your house?
Probably far too much time, which drives my husband crazy.
It's fun.
I move things around a lot.
To make it like...
Sometimes he likes it, sometimes he's like, can you leave stuff alone a little bit? Like, can you just not constantly move everything? What? I'm not. What did I move? He goes, you move the kitchen around like once a week. It's true. I do. I can't help it. And I mean, and I just, not necessarily things in the cabinets. I'll just move everything that's on top of the counters. Just move everything around.
Well, sometimes you don't realize that maybe they look better somewhere else.
No, I just move it constantly.
Like,
it goes back into places it's been before. It goes to new places. I just move it constantly. And I don't know why I do it. And just, maybe it's slightly super fun. I don't know.
I've been needing that crazy, and I gotta let it go. So baby, put the record on. I'm not gonna need that song. Hit it. Swept away all the fun of yesterdays, but I'm gonna hold it together. This ain't forever. Need a shot and then a beat, somewhere to let off some steam. I'm not the one to say never, never say never. Been playing it down, but I'm so getting tired. Now won't you meet high? 'Cause I've been feeling crazy, and I need to lose control. So baby, put the record on. Baby, put the record on. Hit it. And I've been needing that crazy, and I gotta let it go. So baby, put the record on. I'm not gonna need that song. Hit it. Come with me. I'm gonna get this party lit. Come with me. Let's do something we'll regret.
Come with me. I'm gonna get this party lit. Come with me. Let's do something we'll regret.
What did you do with me? Where did I go?
I'm not sure who she is,
Oh
but...
my gosh, look. I'm going to start flinging my hair. Nice. Oh, check, it looks so pretty.
Isn't it so nice?
You think?
Oh, it looks so good.
Like a different head of hair.
It does. Alright, so I'm going to just trim up the ends real quick. I'll let you see what that looks like and then we'll go from there.
Okay.
With me, I'm gonna get this party lit. Come, come, come with me. Let's do something we'll regret.
Come with me. I'm gonna get this party lit. Come with me. Let's do something we'll regret.
Cause I've been feeling that crazy, and I need to lose control. So baby, put the record on. Baby, put the record on. Hit it. And I've been needing that crazy, and I gotta let it go. So baby, put the record on. I'm not gonna need that song. Hit it.
Doesn't it smell
It
great?
looks good. It smells good.
It looks good, it smells good, it's everything.
Toss it in somebody's face.
You're like, oh. So pretty.
Nice job. Thank you so much.
Well, you're so welcome. Like a totally different person. Happy makeover day.
You're such an artist. Even with half my face, it looks good.